Hey guys, I don't know how this is gonna come out. I've never tried this before. I got a GoPro on my head. We got about 5 inches last night. But the worst thing was we got a lot of ice. Yikes. Ice and rain. And it's gonna be 2 degrees tomorrow, so we'll try to get this thing started because Jody sent me my key, but I guess I could get some heat on that. This thing is just completely frozen solid. So instead, I thought, why don't we get the 67 out and see how good this thing is in the snow. All right, keys. Thank you again, Dubworks, for my 5150 MX VW keychain. Have Dubworks get you one. I can't even get in this side. Clear. Oh. I took the battery out for the Gia start. Oh man. Ah, you gotta love it. So what are the chances of this being open? Oh yeah. Sweet. 12 millimeter coming up. Of course, one's a 12, one's a 13. Don't you just love that? All right, let's try this again. Super icy. Yeah, snow is one thing, but Hey guys, hope you enjoyed a little bug action in the snow. That's it for me. I'll try to get out tomorrow and work on that bus. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the comments. Have a great day. Take care.